Welcome to Behind the Headlines. Japan is the world's fourth largest power market and the largest LNG importer. Behind the Headlines is hosted by Japan energy market expert Peter Weigand, Skipping Stone Chairman and CEO.
Konnichiwa. Welcome to Behind the Headlines. Japan, as you can see, is a very large market, still in the early years of deregulation. There's a lot going on, so with that, let's just get right to the headlines. Our first headline, and I think a true game changer, is under the new METI rules, the utility generation business unit, which is about 80% of the market share in generation, is now required to maximize generation profit. What this means within the rules is they can no longer subsidize the retail sister at below market rates. They're required to sell and justify and prove they're selling at or above JEPIX or third-party bilateral to any affiliate company. That's really good news for trading. Our second story is really good news for retail. With JEPIX so low, even though volumes are off, obviously due to COVID, the retail margins are reaching 30% and even higher in certain utility markets for the mass market. So the purpose of this headline is for METI wants to lower fees to get customers to increase demand during certain periods due to excess generation due to renewables, very much like their solution to the California duck curve problem. So METI is basically paying or subsidizing companies to try to figure out how to use VPP for the upcoming ancillary, or as they call it, supply-demand balancing market, which also launches next April. The big four gas utilities, Tokyo Gas, Osaka Gas, etc., are losing piles of money because demand's down in their long cargoes. I bet they wish a few years ago they hadn't fought so hard to keep the wholesale market in Japan closed. Mulling, that's the key word on this one. METI is making a bunch of noise and PR about how they're going to close coal plants to meet the Paris Accord numbers, yada and so forth. The reality is renewables not growing fast enough due to transmission access and lack of transmission, so the offshore wind isn't getting to market. They're going to have coal for quite a while. So METI says the cap is to prevent market manipulation. Now, when have traders ever tried to manipulate any market? So with everybody at home, telemarketers are hitting it big. So switching numbers are up about 15% to somewhere around 500,000 switches a month, which is excellent. We're watching this one closely. If the equipment doesn't wear out too fast, the customers don't seem to mind going up and down, this could be a game changer. We'll watch and see. Congratulations to RWE, not only physical trading, but financial trading. Welcome to Japan. August marks month four, since Japan opened all 86 million customers to choice. August also marks year 6 since Skipping Stone opened their Japan office. Sayonara until next time.
10 headlines in 3 minutes, not enough information? Ask us about our full monthly report. You can also schedule a complimentary video call with Peter. Contact Nancy Young, nyoung@skippingstone.com. Visit our website to learn more about our Japan market services.